Welcome back to Greenhouse Soul for Kids. Today I will be doing a fruit video. I have mangoes, 2 mangoes, oranges, apples, pomegranate right here. I have some grapes, dragon fruit, 2 types of dragon fruit. So I have the yellow one and the pink one. I heard like the pink one is not like that good, so I'm just gonna try it anyway. I've never tried it before, but my mom brought me some cool fruits so I can share this like happy stuff with you guys. So I want to get started. So I will start with the yellow dragon fruit because I heard that's the best. It's the best.
So you gotta talk to the people.
So, like, you guys, comment down below about what's your favorite fruit. Subscribe, share, and like the video.
Notification.
Oh, and hit the notification bell, too, so you can hear and you know that you'll get a notification that you will get more videos, how either my mom's posting them or I'm posting them. And now I'm going to try the pink dragon fruit.
Show them what it looks like.
It looks like this.
Put it up to the camera.
It looks exactly like the yellow dragon fruit. It's not as good as the other one. I mean, it doesn't have that like sweet texture stuff, whatever. Ugh, I should have had a second thought about it. I'm drinking water. Okay, that was the worst one I've tasted. I'm gonna try the mango, cut up in pieces. This is really good. And I love mangoes so much. And if you guys heard, there's a new video, not a new video, a new movie that's coming out that I'm really obsessed with. It's called Us. You can see the trailer on your iPad, phone, computer, whatever electronic you have. And it's a really, really great movie. I'm going to see it as first as it comes out. Wow, mango's so sweet. I'm gonna save the other mango for the last. Gonna try some grapes.
Thank you.
No problem.
Sweet.
I don't really know if my dad has tasted dragon fruit before.
Ask him.
He hasn't tasted it before. Want to taste it? It's sweet. I promise it was sweet.
I'll eat the rest then. Do you want any more?
No. It's a small version of my dad.
So I thought I'd step in. You guys won't be able to see me because this camera is for Quinn, but hi! I wanted to show you guys my predominantly chic t-shirt. You can get those as well as other fashionable items on, go to predominantly chic on Instagram. I do not know the website by heart. I'll drop it in the video. So, but this is my baby cousin and she's doing very well and she has some really, really nice stuff. So if you guys are looking for some fashions, go ahead. Okay, finish eating.
Mom, do you mind if you can go get me a spoon for the
Spoon, yes.
I love fruit so much. Hey, little tiny person, you want a grape? Oh my gosh. Victory screech.
What color do you want?
Purple.
All right.
About that play, the skit, short video, whatever, the most best person, well, not person, like pet, is gonna be in the video, and you guys seen him before. He's the special
Oh,
guest.
no, here, just let him get on your shoulder.
He's gonna be the best special guest.
But you have to finish
aren't you?
eating. Finish eating.
You're gonna be an entertainer. He's like he doesn't know what's happening.
You want me to take him?
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, Kiwi. Crunch, so people can hear the crunch. There you go.
Well, tiny person ate some of my oranges. So I'm gonna have the rest of these.
Bite it. There you go. Paper towel?
Yes, please.
your snack commercial, right? Okay, you don't have to eat these on camera, but we'll talk about it. Gluten free. What's your favorite out of all of that stuff? What's your favorite out of all of that?
I would pick all of them, but
if you had to pick one, what would it be?
I would pick the yellow dragon fruit. Comedy. Comedy by a bird. And yes, I did wash this apple. And we'll be doing a morning routine of Kiwi's morning stuff he does, like sitting in the mirror all day. We put him in like this, like in this crazy mirror.
There you go. That's how you mukbang. Mukbang.
Lord. No.
Hey, you can talk.
You can talk. And that's my dad over there.
What do you want me to talk about, though? Great. Look. Watch this.
Listen. That's one bite. You want to bite
Here, put garbage out there. See if you get it. Oh gosh, this is looking too good. I have to eat this.
So, comment down below. What's your favorite fruit? I would choose all of these fruits because they're all my favorite fruits. The only thing that I don't like, and I feel like I really want to taste it, but I still don't like it,
Is what?
coconut.
Oh yeah, coconut is it's an acquired taste.
Yeah, it's just not. What's that?
Are you done?
Something's burning.
Are you done?
This platter?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay, wait. Got you.
So, I have some rice bowls here. They're gluten-free. There's non-GMO, no trans fats. They're vegan.
You have to talk to the camera.
They're vegan. Right here. Gluten-free. Thank you, Dad. Gluten free. And it's non-GMO. You earned a gift.
And show
And-
people the package.
It's crunchy rice rolls.
Do a thumbnail.
With the cameras right there.
Okay.
Okay. That was like my little commercial of rice rolls now. Thanks for watching, guys. Comment down below, subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, and share. Bye, guys.